Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox, and I'll show you how to use it as well. So just tap on this three dot here at bottom and go to settings. In setting we have to go to in privacy, just tap on it. Now you just need to scroll down and you will see here camera input. So if you want to get face tracking, you have to enable camera input. From here, to enable it, just tap on this toggle button next, second one next to the camera, to enable animation your so if you want to animate your avatar with the movement, then just tap on this toggle button and keep it green. Right now it is green, so it means that it is enabled. And once you enable, now I'll show you how to use it in the game. Now once you enter the game, guys, if you want to use face tracking, just tap on this beta icon here. Just tap on it to expand it, and here you have to click on this profile. Just tap on it, and as you can see here, we got this motion tracking here. So you can keep this motion tracking anywhere, and now it will use your movement to animate avatar with you. So that's how it works. So if I move my head, as you can see, it's moving around and syncing with my head position. Also it is tracking voice. It is also tracking my voice, as you can see. So that's how it works, and yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.